We are going to compare Namboole Stadium to Nakivubo Stadium. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have something exciting lined up for you. We are here in the heart of Kampala, Uganda at Nakivubo Stadium, which has recently undergone a significant renovation. But that's not all. We're also going to compare it to another iconic stadium in Uganda, the Mandela National Stadium, commonly known as Namboole Stadium, which has also seen major upgrades. So let's dive right into the comparison of these two fantastic sports arenas.
Alright, so we need more ambassadors for Uganda. So since you've decided to share Uganda to the world, you all, if you want to see more of Uganda, subscribe to this YouTube channel so that he will showcase what you don't know about Uganda.
Nakivubo Stadium, located in the bustling city of Kampala, has a rich history and has recently undergone extensive renovations. The upgrades include state-of-the-art facilities, improved seating arrangements, and modern amenities, making it a hub for various sports events and entertainment activities. At the end of this video, please comment and let me know which stadium is best for you. Now let's shift our focus to Mandela National Stadium, popularly known as Namboole. Situated on the outskirts of Kampala, Namboole is one of the largest stadiums in East Africa. Over the years, it has hosted numerous international sports events and concerts. The stadium recently underwent a transformative makeover, enhancing its infrastructure and overall spectator experience. The renovations at Namboole Stadium have focused on improving facilities such as VIP areas, media centers, and athletic accommodations. The seating capacity has been increased with 2,000 seats, ensuring that more fans can enjoy events comfortably. The stadium's modern design and top-notch facilities have elevated it to international standards. As we compare Nakivubo Stadium and Namboole, it is evident that both venues have been revitalized to offer a world-class experience to sports enthusiasts and event attendees. While Nakivubo Stadium is located in the heart of the city, providing easy accessibility, Namboole Stadium boasts a large capacity and more extensive facilities, making it suitable for hosting major international events. Let me show you. This is how Namboole Stadium looks like during the renovation process. Look the beauty. And this is how Nakivubo Stadium looks like after construction. The seating capacity of Nakivubo Stadium is 30,000 and that of Namboole Stadium is 42,000, which creates a very big difference. Now let me give you the look of the before and after construction of these two sports arenas. You remember last time I came here at the beginning of the Namboole Stadium renovation, it looked like this. Yeah, and I'm going to show you how it looks like now. But let me first show you how it looks like by the time I first come here. Let's first enter and see what is inside. Yeah, alright. This is the main entrance. This is how inside it looks like. This is how the inside looked like at the beginning of the renovation. And this is where renovation has reached at Namboole Stadium. The stadium looks so beautiful. Let me show you everything. The ongoing renovation has completely changed the look of this stadium. Compare the before and after and let me know in the comment section. What do you think? What is this way? Let's see. Those are restrooms. Alright. I'm still taking you the whole of this stadium. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. We are comparing Namboole Stadium to Nakivubo. And this is how Nakivubo Stadium looked like during construction. I'm going to show you how it looks like now. From this stage, I knew this stadium would be great. Have a closer look. This was the first phase, and the second phase looked like this. Let me show you the third phase when it is fully completed. Please let me know in the comment section, what do you think about these two sports arenas? Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. Ultimately, whether you prefer the vibrant atmosphere of Nakivubo Stadium in the city center or the grandeur of Namboole Stadium on the outer skirts, both venues stand as shining example of Uganda's commitment to sports and entertainment. These renovations mark a significant milestone, opening doors to a wide array of events that will undoubtedly leave a lasting impact on fans and participants alike. Thank you for joining me on this exciting comparison journey between Nakivubo Stadium and Namboole Stadium. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights and exploration. Until next time, stay safe. Bye bye.